How to create Google form with photo upload. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create Google form with photo upload. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google form and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, if you want to create a new form, click on blank form. Here you can create a new form. Add title to your form. Add a description, add the question here. Now, if you want to make your Google form upload a photo, then head towards the section that says multiple choice. From here, you can select the type of answer that you want in your question. Here you have to click on file upload. And here it says, let the respondents upload file to Drive. Files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign into Google when file upload questions are added to form. Make sure to only share this form with people you trust. So here I click on continue. Now from here, you can select the maximum number of files, or if you want to allow only specific type of file, and you have to turn in this toggle. And here you can select image. Scroll down. Here choose the maximum number of file that you want, and here maximum file size that you want. And all your photos or all the photos the respondents will submit will be in your drive. And here if you want to make your questions required, you have to turn on this toggle. And now you can share your form. Head toward this top right section, click on publish, and here now you can manage this. And once you're done, click on publish. Now your form is published. If you want to share the link, click on this link icon, copy the link, and then you can share it. After that, respondent will be able to fill up the form with the image upload option. So in this way, you can make your form with photo upload. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.